Hiya, Charlie.
Itchy! Killer?
Actually, it's a very long story.
Oh, boy, am I glad to see you.
Hey, what are friends for?
You know what to do.
I don't see anyone.
The coast is clear.
Ambush!
What did I tell you? J.C. Taggart always gets his dog. Always. There's no escape this time. We've got you outnumbered.
Hey, here comes the cavalry!
Oh, and Taggart, too.
Wait! Get back here! Failure is not an option!
If it's good for the goose.
Is good for the gander.
Nice doggy. Nice dog. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Hey, you can't do this to me. I'm J.C. Taggart! Stop! Go away!
Hey, Killer. Thanks for everything.
Are you sure you don't want to join us for some root beer floats?
No, I really need to get going.
What's the rush? You're one of the good guys now.
Well, I guess you guys taught me that a friend is someone you can depend on. And Carface is still depending on me to come back with some banana ripple ice cream. Besides, a sidekick needs his pal. Oh, sure. Just ask Itchy.
Come on, pal. The first round of root beer floats is on me.